Good morning. I'm back in my favourite park. It's my day off. 72 discrimination, basic 1, shoveling up pennies. 2p penny, half p, and a coin ball. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, look, it's a penny. That's 5 coins in 5 coins, 5 minutes. I'm up in the trashy bit here. Loads of bottle tops. 2p, and look at that. That is one, if I can get this right. That's one very nice. Edward 7th, 1903. Some very nice penny. No corrosion. Good one. Okay, had me fun. There, piece of lead, 2 pieces of pipe, copper, 2 2Ps, 2 1Ps, and I've just got a threepenny bit here in the wood on my way through to another site. Oh, I've got my little mate back, look. Gotta be very careful with these. I mean, I'm digging away and it's trying to get under my shovel. Right, you're after a worm, are you? Okay, let's see if I can find one. Just had a 2p, I've left that all mucked up for the robin look there. And just over next to that 2p, 1797 cartwheel penny, 1 ounce pure copper. Oh, I love these sites. Victoria, half penny, 1861. Very grotty, never going to survive going home. A metal clip and a shaped piece of lead. Oh, I'm not going to get out of this wood at this rate. I was going to throw that away as a bottle top. What a signal. Citizens Quartz. Oh, that'll be aluminium bronze. There's no gold on there, unfortunately. But hey, a watch. Oh, coin. Oh, coin ball. Oh, coin. Oh, you're a bronze penny. Look at you. You come out of the ground absolutely superb. Oh, it said George VI. And it's 1939. That's my birthday. Oh, you are a very nice coin. Good one. Got that under that tree, look. If I can give you a tip, if you're working under trees like this, go into the tree and work outwards, because if you try to work inwards, you end up spiking yourself in the eye with these sort of things. So, into the tree, work out. Coin ball. Now my detector head is over where I found that 1939 penny. This has just come out of there. So that close, let's see if there's any whatever. What are you? You are a modern penny. What else could you be? Ooh-wee, another coin ball. Oh, it's a threepenny bit. Yeah. George, 1942, George 5, threepenny bit. Half penny hung up there down in those tree roots, look. George 5, 19... Get it right way up. 36? 1936, George 5 half penny. They're in not bad condition, some of these. I've just moved into the sheep paddock at the back of the old hall. I got a bit of lead there with what appears to be some sort of writing on it. It's curled up, but it's You know, it's just plain awkward. I can't unravel it. I have to wait. And this is, by all accounts, a pigeon ring. But I don't think it's ever been used. You're in the grounds trying to pick up something from 1500s, you know, so you get a couple of 10p's. Modern. I never cease to wonder how a fishing lure gets in the middle of a field, unless they've been practicing casting. Oh, coin ball. It's not far enough down really to be interesting, although you are. Ah, George 5 ship halfpenny. Bad luck of it. Can't be 59, it's got to be 39. It's 59, which means it's Elizabeth. You're in there somewhere. There you go. Elizabeth 2, 1959 ship halfpenny. And I'm sat in a ancient field here, look, and I'm getting naught but modern money. Oh, I'm calling it a day. The wind's blowing. It's raining now. It's coming in heavy. I've got a waterproof, but not fun anymore, so we'll see you at the roundup. Bye. Okie dokie. Bit of a wet day today. Weather forecast says it won't rain today. They are useless. Let us start with a junk kite. Little bit of something or other. thick pipe, copper, with a. That's where they put a pin through to stop it turning, isn't it? Heavy, very heavy. Listen, boom. A compact lipstick. I should say lipstick case. Haven't opened it. This is in the junkite. It's a Citizen quartz, and it looked nice and shiny when it was coming out. I thought, ooh, but it's aluminium bronze. It's never seen gold in its life, so I'm afraid you're relegated to the junkite. Now I don't know whether this is bent or it is actually a spring clip. I think this is a bird tag. I'll say pigeon because I don't know of any other. And the number, it's got a tiny little 74, presumably 1974, and the number on it is N13516NU. I'm used to tags that sort of clip on, but this, maybe it was put on when it was young and just fell off when it died or something, or it's never been used, one of the two. Someone will know, pigeon fancier. Lead. Oh, this was all curled up, so I opened it up, nothing in it. And the marks on it, I don't think they're intentional. It's like that with lead, it's that soft, anything marks it. I'm getting too many of these lately. Pieces of lead with something on one side and absolutely nothing on the other. So this looks like the lead's been dripped into a mould type thing. Don't know what for. Now this piece, oh, definite bit of cut lead there, look, and it's been hammered in by the sounds of it there, look, on that end. Thought it were a bullet to start with. And it's got a groove cut in it there, but it doesn't go all the way through. Don't know what it's for, as usual. 90% of what I find, I don't know what it's for. Look at that fishing lure. are the things you find in the middle of a field in the middle of England. Okay, let's go on to money. As usual, all of the modern decimal currency is not clad. They're all bronze. I keep taking money out of the pack. Look at that, that's new. That was only dropped recently. For some reason, the coins that's being used up in that neck of the woods, they are bronze. 4 2p's, a couple of old 10p's there, half p's, and we've got 1 2 3 4 5 1p's, a couple of threepenny bits there, 1942, 1941, half pennies, 1959, Elizabeth II, 1927, George V, 1861, Victoria. Pennies, look at that, that's a beautiful penny. Beautiful. 1939. That's the year I was born. They made a lot of good things that year, look. And we've got a 1903 Edward VII there, beautiful bronze, and the oldest is the 1797 cartwheel penny. Sorry, disgusting condition, but rain stopped play, as you're aware from the video, so I didn't even get a chance to get a bit of silver. Okay then, it says on my camera I've got 1 minute left. Oops, I've not seen that before, so I'm going to wish you good luck, happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.